Hey everybody, I have to show you this really cute bakery kit. I totally saw the Kowalski bakery kit from Fantastic Beasts. I'm going to spin it around. I'm almost finished with the front. You can see some of the details are just like in the movie. And up here it's going to say Kowalski, so we got to paint that still. But the coolest thing is I customized this so it's not exactly like the bakery, but front opens. Let's go to the inside. Here we go. So I just added some flooring, and the inside, it's gonna take some extra work because we have to build all of the little shelves where the breads go, and it kind of has to fit together, so I'm gonna have to cut and glue a lot of wood. But I'll show you some details in some other clips. The first thing when you want to build these kits, use wood glue. It's so important. And also let it completely dry before you paint the exterior. This was a custom color that I made. The windows were painted separately, and you can see I started adding extra details that look just like the ones in the film. I thought this was really important so you would capture the exact look. Since this kit is just a standard bakery, you want to detail it. Like the flooring, I got it from Miniature Crush. They are on Etsy and eBay, and I also added real fabric trim to the front. I soaked it in tacky glue so that I could cut it once it was dry. The interior is a light cream color, but I'm thinking I'm going to do a part 2 on just the interior of this bakery and how it was made. Let me know if you're interested and leave me a comment below.